Hey guys, so here's this 52-inch Highbury II Ceiling Fan. Well, the capacitor on this fan, I just put a new one in because the old one was very cut, way too short by some other people who took it down or fixed it. Probably because that one went bad. So I put a new one in and it's still bad. I think it's just a faulty capacitor, I think. I'll try to get another one. If it still doesn't work, I may have to throw this fan away, I don't know. It's probably one of the worst Hunter fans. It's a Highbury. And it does make a noise too. When I spin it hard, it makes bearing noises too. Yeah. As you can see, I got new shades because I accidentally broke like two. One broke, the second one's cracked, and then I had to throw that one away and it broke. And then the third one's okay. So I just got a whole set of new shades. And put LEDs in there since it's a newer Hunter. I know, and I did longer pull trains too. And this screw is new. That screw and that screw, those three screws, they were missing. And I had to get another screw nut because the original one was missing when I got this fan. Yeah, it matches the light too. So yeah, this fan is extremely slow. Low doesn't even work at all. But medium and high is extremely slow. But the light works fine. I'll demonstrate this. Oh, turn the switch on. Forgot to do that. There's the light. Yep, it stopped. This medium right here. Okay, medium doesn't work too. Try high. Yeah, high is slow. Medium and low doesn't work. This may be a faulty capacitor because some capacitors on Amazon may be faulty. Sometimes they get like that, and then I have to get a new one. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'll keep trying to get a new capacitor on this fan, see if that one works. Yeah, this is high right here. I'm gonna clean the camera. It's a little blurry on the lights. Okay, that's better. That's how fast it will go. I'll try to get another capacitor and keep trying. If those don't work, I'm gonna have to throw this fan away and keep some parts. That's probably what will happen if it doesn't work. Because I think these are one of junky Hunter fans. And when it goes more faster, it makes bearing noises too. It's a Highbury II. It's from January 2018, the first week of 2018. It's in brushed nickel. These finishes aren't too common. These are rare finish, and the blade finish too. Rare finish. I'm going to show y'all pictures of the old and current capacitor on this fan. Here's that. Yep, I'm gonna wait for the spin down. So the parts that didn't came with this fan is the 3 screws, the 2 mounting bracket screws, and 1 switch housing screw, and 2 original hunter pull chains that were missing. I just longer them with nothing on them. And other than that, everything came with the fan. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all that I put a screen on the top. I forgot to tell y'all that I put a screen on the top. Yeah, I decided to add one because those vents are big. Yeah, I was not expecting this fan to have a new bad capacitor. I'll try to get another one, see if that one works. If it doesn't, then I may just have to keep some parts and throw this fan away. But yeah, that's all. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later and goodbye.